As we continue throughout November here, we've had some very mild temperatures across parts of the region. That will continue for a little while before we're looking at some colder weather arriving. And a lot of this may be a little more seasonal for us, just meaning that it's been so warm that it's going to feel colder, although it'll be fairly close to our seasonal average high temperatures. And some will end up having some chilly temps. We are tracking a large dip in the upper atmosphere, which will bring some storm chances to the region. We'll be talking some wind, some rain, and some of us will be cold enough that we'll even mention the word snow with that larger system. So that's what we're going to walk through here shortly. So we have some ridging in the upper atmosphere that's kept us very mild over the weekend. As we head throughout the first half of the work week, that ridge slowly shifts toward the east, still impacting most of the plains and the upper Midwest and pushing off toward the eastern seaboard. As we look toward the northwest, the Pacific Northwest, we're going to start to see a dip in the upper atmosphere early in the work week, and that will eventually slide through the central plains and impact the Midwest and the northern plains here midweek. So there's Thursday with our upper flow pattern. As we head toward the end of next week, that'll really start to dip down and eventually push off toward the east. So that's going to be our next weather producer. But looking behind it, temperatures may rebound for some of us. Now, this will be the big question mark, is how our weather pattern will be influenced after this wave moves on out, which we may end up going to a little more zonal flow or even a little bit northwesterly, which could bring a few chances of precipitation after that wave. Temperature outlook this week, well, it has been mild and it's going to stay mild for a while. So most of the plains, the central portion, the lower 48 up through the upper Midwest, well above average here. It's just great November weather if you do like it warmer, that is, but a little cooler weather off toward the west. So most of this week will be above or a little closer to seasonal as we end up cooling down a little bit more so toward the end of the week. Precipitation wise, of course, that will be going up as we are tracking that larger wave to impact our weather here. So bringing the wet weather along the Pacific Northwest and eventually into the northern plains and the Midwest as we head toward the second half of this week. The first half is looking dry and mild, second half wet and a little cooler, and it'll likely be windy as well. As we head toward the following week, well, we'll be looking at some warmer temperatures along the northeast and across the far southwest. Temperatures through the central portion of the U.S. is still that question mark as that large upper level wave pushes eastward. What the weather will end up doing behind it, I end up seeing that kind of fluctuating from some milder days to some cooler days, which will end up coming up kind of average overall, with some cooler weather expected across the northwest. Precipitation wise, still could have a few weaker waves behind that larger system that could bring some precipitation across the northern plains and upper Midwest, with still some below average weather or precipitation across the desert southwest. So we are tracking some colder weather, some storm chances, with even the mention of snow coming up here in this forecast.